Hello, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about Python operators. Python operators in general are used to perform operations on values and variables. These are standard symbols used for the purpose of logical and arithmetic operations. Various types of operators are there: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators, precedence and associativity of operators. See one by one. Arithmetic operators. Here see the examples of arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator: plus, minus, multiplication, division, division of number, modulo of both number, and power. See, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 4. We can apply different operators on. This is the expression: add is equal to a plus b, subtraction a minus b, a star b, a slash b. Then first of all, a plus b, 9 plus 4 is equal to 30. Then subtract 5, multiplication 36, division 2.25, then division floor of number, two, modulo of both number, remainder, that is 1, means 9 by 4, and remainder is 1. Then a raised to power is equal to a raised to b, then a is equal to 9, 9 raised to 4 is equal to 6561. Like that we can use these operators in Python. Then comparison operators. A is equal to 13, b is equal to 33, a greater than b. A is not greater than b, therefore it is false. It shows false. If condition is true, then it gives true, otherwise it gives false. Second, a less than b, it is true, therefore it gives true. A is equal to b, it is false, therefore it gives false. A is not equal to b is true, it gives true. A greater than equal to b is false, it gives false answer, and a less than equal to b, it is true, true answer. It is called comparison operators: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and equal to. Logical operators: a is equal to true and b is equal to false. First we have to assign that values, then a and b, print a and b is false, because if both are true, then it gives true. A or b, anyone is true, it gives true. And print not a is false, not a, a is equal to true, not a means false. Like that logical operators are work. Bitwise operators: a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 2. Bitwise operators act on bits and perform the bit by bit operation. These are used to operate on binary numbers. First of all, see how to convert any number into binary number, how to convert decimal number into binary number. Suppose 20 is a number, we have to divide by 2, 10 into 2, then remainder remainder is 10, therefore it gives 0. 2 into 5, 0. Remainder is 1. If any number is there, it gives 0. Otherwise 0, 0, 1, 0. We can convert it into 20. This is the one way or second way. Two ways are there to convert decimal to binary: division by 2 or like that. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 2 raised to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, like that. Here see the addition of 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Therefore from 16 we have to write if 16 1 and 4 is 1, other bits are 0, like that. We have to convert 20 into 101 0 0. Here also we can write 101 0 0. This is the process to convert any decimal to binary. This is the easy process to convert. Then bitwise AND. Bitwise AND operator. See, bitwise AND operator. Print bitwise AND operation. Print A and B. A and B. First it will take binary number of 20 and then binary number of 4, and then bit by bit it will calculate. See the calculation: 20 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 B is equal to 4, like that. 0 1 0 0 is the binary number for 4 and 8 bit number, therefore we have to assign 4 zeros into this number. Then if this is a truth table for AND, if both are 0 then output is 0, both are 1 output is 1. If any one is 0 or 1, 0. If both are true then it will give, if both are same it will give that value. And 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Apply this table, rule of that table: 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Like that you have to apply. After applying these rules, this is the binary number 0100, 4-bit number, that is 4. Therefore this is bitwise AND and answer is 4. And see the answer, this is 4. Like that, print bitwise OR operation. Bitwise OR operation. This table is there. Anyone is true, then it will give true. Here truth table is 0001. Here truth table is 1110. 20 and 4. We have to apply these table rules. It gives 20. 10100. Therefore answer is 20. See the bitwise OR answer. And bitwise NOT operation, negation of A. Bitwise NOT operation. See the answer is -21. bitwise OR. Negation, that is A is equal to 20. If input is equal to 0, output is 1, and input is 1, output is 0. Apply this rule. Binary number of 20 is 000101000. Then negation of A is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. See, this is minus 21. 2's complement method is there to calculate bitwise negation of any number, any binary number. Then first we have to take 2's complement and then add plus 1 and calculate that number. It is 1 0. This is minus 21. Next, see 16 bitwise XOR operation. Bitwise XOR, see the table. Table is, if both are true, it gives 0. Both are 0, it gives 0. And 0 1 1 1 0 1. This is the XOR table. Applying this table, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 4, it gives 16. This is the answer, 16. And then bitwise right shift operation and left shift operation. 5 and 80 answer is there. Bitwise right shift, A is equal to 20, A is equal to 20, bitwise right shift, it is given 5, and bitwise left shift, it is given. In right shift, we have to first take the binary number of that number, and right shift, we can shift 2 bits right. Therefore, it gives 0 0 0 1 0 1. We have to shift 2 bits right. Therefore, we have to assign empty bits. Here, bitwise left shift. Suppose this is the binary number of 20, then left shift 0 1 0 1 0 0. 2 bits. We have to shift 2 bits left. Left shift of 2 bits. Then it gives 0 1 0 1 0 0, and we have to assign, we have to remove that 2 bits from left, and here add 2 zeros for 8 bits. Therefore, it gives answer of 280. Like that, it will calculate bitwise and or not XOR right shift and left shift. Assignment operators: A is equal to 10, B is equal to A, it will assign the value of A to B. Print B, it will give 10. Then subtract and assign value. B is equal to B minus, add one assign value, B is equal to B plus A. Print B means A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. then it gives 20. Subtract and assign value. B is equal to B minus A. B is equal to 20. First it will take 20 and then B minus A. Print B, it will give 10 after subtracting 10 from 20. Multiply and assign. B is equal to B into A, 20 into 10. Here B is equal to 10 and A is equal to 10, therefore it gives 100. And bitwise L-shaped operator, B less than equal to A, it will give 1 lakh. One lakh 2,400 bitwise shift operator. Like that, identity operators. A is not B. A is not B. And A is C. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. A is not B, it is true. And A is C, because A and C are equal, therefore it gives true. Like that, membership operators are there. Suppose it is a list is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. X is equal to 24 and Y is equal to 20. X not in list. X is, if X not in list, I have not covered list yet, therefore we skip this operator. And precedence and associative operators are there. This is the membership of that set. We have to identify with precedence and associative operators, means more than one operator is in the expression, then priority is precedence is required for the execution of that expression. Therefore precedence of plus and multiplication, first it will calculate multiplication, therefore it gives 600 plus 10, 610, and precedence of or and name is equal to Alex, age is equal to 0, name is equal to Alex or name is equal to John, and age is greater than equal to 2, print hello welcome. If name is equal to Alex, it is true, or name is equal to John, it is true, means more than at a time, or means any one condition it should satisfy, and age is greater than equal to 2, it is not satisfied, therefore if name is equal to Alex and age greater than equal to 2, then it prints hello welcome, otherwise it prints goodbye. Like that, various operators we can see here, different operators. You can see operator associativity. See the If an expression contains two or more operators with the same precedence, suppose plus plus, two operators are there and its precedence is same, then it can either be left or right or from right to left. Operator associated is used to determine. Then print minus 5 minus 100 upon 100 star 10. Left to right associativity, it applies and it will calculate the right to left or left to right as per the operator. I hope you understood all these operators, Python operators. Thank you.